In this video, I want to discuss the top 3 things home inspectors look for. But first, I want to give a shout out to our sponsor, Dan Avanzato with North Star Mortgage. If you are looking for a pre-qualification, pre-approval, or looking to refinance, depending upon where your rate currently is, his information is on the screen. So what are the 3 main things that home inspectors look for? Now, obviously, having a home inspection is going to protect your investment. I always recommend getting a pre-sale home inspection when we are ready to list your property. But also, obviously, when you are buying a property, I always recommend a home inspection. So let's discuss the top 3 things that they look for. Number 1 is they look at your roof. They want to look for water infiltration in any part of the roof area. And obviously, they are looking to make sure that it does not need to be repaired or it's causing any damage. A roof can be very expensive, so having that inspected during a home inspection is going to be paramount. In addition to the roof, a home inspector will inspect the flashing, the gutters, the downspouts, anything that is costly that will need repair, he is going to inspect. And number 2 is the structure. The home inspector is going to look for how stable the structure is. Obviously, the foundation is where it all starts, and it has to be secure, no cracks, and if there are cracks, there are either horizontal or vertical cracks that the inspector is trained to look for. And number 3, the inspector is going to investigate your heater, your air conditioning unit, your plumbing, your electrical. He wants to make sure that all is working properly and there are no serious issues. So there you have it, our top 3 things that home inspectors look for. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out via email or call my office or reach out to one of our team members. We hope you enjoyed this video and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.